Welcome once again to our WordPress development course by Slidescope. We are learning today how to use a new theme that we are trying to install here. Obviously, we have done a lot of tutorials with Astra theme, which is free and very easy to use. We will add a new theme and we will go with Blocksy. So let's say you want to create something from scratch. So let's say we do it with Blocksy. Is Blocksy available? You can see, you can go to Blocksy and you can install. So if you are familiar with something like Astra, like you will be easily able to use Blocksy as well. Now we have installed Blocksy. You can see it is installed. After installing it, we can install the Blocksy companion. So we strongly recommend to use Blocksy companion. Now in Blocksy companion, you can see we have different options like color options. You can customize different color options for your website. You have different typography options, header options, all given in this particular menu. Now, just as Astra offers some starter sites, Blocksy also offers some starter sites. As we are building a website for a consulting company, you can see this particular template is available for Gutenberg and Elementor page views or page builder, sorry. And here you can see this is how it is going to look like. So pretty solid for free, and we can also explore other options like how the services pages are given, how about us is given, news section is given. So you can see the blog page is also very uh, good here. So we definitely want to try this. Then we have smile dent, obviously not this. For news we have this, and required plan should be needed. So you have to study what elements will be needed. So we are only considering free ones here. And photo studio, we don't want this. Restaurant, wood, renovation, not this. Barber shop, catering, we have beaver, probably something close to fever. Biz consultant, this is what we are doing. So let's see what biz consultant has to offer. So in biz consultant, you can see you have a friend in the business, something like this is given, and on set a introductory video where you can introduce your services, what you need, 15 years. So this is also pretty much standard. What services do we offer? So here you can write all the services. Pretty much impressive. Although just like basic sites as we have in Astra. Let's see the services page, services archive page. You can see about us page. Here you can introduce your team. Nice. So that's a decent site. I like the previous one better. Let's see other options like we have gadgets, cleaning services, car services, car decor, pet see, justice, persona, maybe for a one person. This is web agency. This will also help us. So let's go with consultant. Uh, in web agency, you can see we have these options. It is more looking like a UX UI website. We have some pricing. Okay, we have some options available here, but I will try some other options as well. So yes, we may have to get a lot of yellow images, or if we, I think we can change the accent color here. Let's see other options. Tasty, homey, yogi, business. Let's preview this business. So creative minds, some office, what we do, view pricing, take action, then this. a basic type of website. She's looking good, not looking bad. Here, let's change. So one image will open. You can give information of your team. So here, this is also good. So we are going with this because let's go with this. We can change later. Now they are asking us to install a child theme. So let's install, and obviously we are going to use Elementor. There's nothing better than Elementor for me at least. And the following plugins are required: fluent booking, because in the theme you can see this calendar option here. So maybe this will be required for fluent booking. Then we have import content like options, widget, content, clean install. Let's install this, preparing data, installing Elementor. Let's fluent booking. So you can see importing some content. So now site etc is imported. Let's see how it looks. And yeah, you can see everything that we saw there is now installed. And since it is with Elementor, we can edit this page with Elementor. And your site doesn't have a default kit, so let's recreate some kit here. So let's clear files and cache, sync library, recreate kit. Safe mode is currently disabled. So we have some kit now. Let's try once again. So now you can see Elementor is loaded and we can start clicking different elements one by one and start building our site. So that's pretty much what we needed to see, how easy or difficult is to create a website with Blocksy. Then obviously what can we do with Elementor is already explained in many other tutorials. Thanks for watching this video. For more WordPress related tutorials, follow our channel, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts related to WordPress, theme installation, theme setup, or even some kind of custom website development with WordPress, so we offer that service. We offer custom website development, whether it's an e-commerce website, whether it's a job related website, whether it's news website, website for real estate agencies, anything that you need, we can deliver that.